Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth with Scott Leroy Marketing. In this tip video, I'm going to show you how to use the brand new update, the animations panel within the Designs applet in Command. Today I'm going to be using Mozilla Firefox, as we have found that works brilliantly with the Designs applet. I'll enter my username, which is something like first name, last name, or first initial, last name, maybe a number, and password, and click Sign In. Next, I'm going to head over to the Designs applet, which is the paintbrush in a square icon. Of course, while you're still learning the name of the applets, you can expand the names by clicking the red square with the white KW at the very top left of the screen. Now, your screen may look different than mine depending on how many design pieces you have created so far. Next step is to click Create Design in the very top right corner. Select Social. You may choose to import photos and text from a listing if you would like, if that applies to your example. And click Continue. Now, typically you're going to be defaulted to the very top category and design pieces here, but you can venture through the different categories on the left by clicking the header to drop down the list. In this example, I'm going to be doing a listings for sale piece. You can also narrow down the types of designs by clicking the buttons at the very top. So for my example, I'm going to choose Social Square. And then I'm going to use this piece. So I'm going to hover over it and click the Use button. So you'll want to go through and update all of the information. Including the DBA name or Market Center logo at the very bottom. Now, once you have completed updating all of the information and pictures, you'll see on the left-hand side there is a new icon, looks like a play button, named Animation. So you can click to open that panel, and you'll see all of the different options that you'll be able to use to animate this social piece to use on your social media. Now, there's a couple of different options that you can choose from. You can either choose to animate the entire piece, so all of the different pieces here have the same animation. You can choose bounce in, swing in, etc. And you can kind of hover over to see what they look like. Now, that may be a little fast for you, so you can come back up to the top and change the settings in the first few options here. You can either toggle the up and down arrow, or manually type in, although 10 seems a little long, so let's try 2. You can also select to animate all of the elements together by selecting this checkbox. Otherwise, they're going to come in one by one. Now, in this tab, the element animations, you can select a field over in your workspace, select its animation, and repeat. So you can have different animations for different fields if you wish. Now you will also see this pop up. So if you want to revert to the entire page animation, you can do so by clicking this button. You can also change the page duration, which is the second option here. So if you want the whole thing to take 5 seconds, again, you can use the up and down arrows or manually type in. Don't forget to save. Don't forget to rename your piece. And once you are done, you can click the download, change your file type to download video, and select your format. Your two choices are MP4 or a QuickTime video. Once you have the type and format selected, click the purple download button, where it will then save to your computer, so you can either post on your social media or post on your social media using command. Of course, if you have any questions about this or anything else, feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.